Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Before we go through, don't forget to subscribe and also give some thumbs up. Today, our topic is about how do information systems support the activities of managers and management decision making. Subtopic 12.2 Management Information System.
My name is Aiedil Putera bin Sulaiman, ID metric I11103659, and I was semester 4.
Managerial roles. Managers play key roles in organizations. Their responsibility range from making decisions, to writing reports, to attending meetings, to arranging birthday parties. The classical model of management, which described what managers do, was largely unquestioned for the more than 70 years since the 1920s. Henry Fayol and other early writers first described the 5 classical functions of managerial as planning, organizing, coordinating, deciding, and controlling. Behavioral models. Behavioral models argue that the actual behavior of managers appears to be less systematic, more informal, less reflective, more reactive, and less well organized than the classical model would have us believe. Managerial roles. Managerial roles are expectations of the activities that managers should perform in an organization. Ninsberg found that these managerial roles fell into 3 categories. First, interpersonal, second, informational, and third, decisional. Let me introduce more about it for the 3 categories. First, interpersonal role. Managers act as a figurehead for the organization when they represent their companies to the outside world and perform symbolities such as giving out employee awards in their interpersonal role. The second one, informational roles. Managers act as the nerve centers of their organizations, preserving the most concrete, up-to-date information and redistributing it to those who need to be aware of it. Managers are therefore information disseminators and spokespersons for their organizations. And the last one, decisional roles. Decisional roles act as entrepreneurs by initiating new kinds of activities. They handle disturbance arising in the organization. They allocate resources to staff members who need them, and they negotiate conflicts and mediate between conflicting groups. Real-world decision making. There are 3 main reasons. First, information quality. Second, management filters. And third, organizational culture. Information quality. If the output of information system does not meet this quality criteria, decision making will suffer. Management filter. Cognitive scientists, behavioral economists, and recently neuroeconomists have found that managers, like other humans, are poor at assessing risk, are risk-averse, perceive patterns where none exist, and make decisions based on intuition, feeling, and the framing of the problem as opposed to empirical data. Organizational inertia and politics. Organizations are bureaucracies with limited capabilities and competencies for acting decisively. Where environment change and business need to adopt new business model to survive, strong forces within organization resist making decisions calling for major change. High velocity automated decision making. The class of decisions that are highly structured and automated is growing rapidly. What makes this kind of automated high-speed decision making possible are computer algorithms that precisely define the steps to be followed to produce a decision. Very large database, very high-speed processor, and software optimize the task. Obviously, with humans out of the loop, great care needs to be taken to ensure the proper operation of this system to prevent significant harm. So that's all from me. Thank you for your ears, and I hope you understand, and thank you so much. Assalamualaikum. See you again.